Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? I know, red and black box, big old Kershaw. You know we're going to take a look at something by Kershaw. Oh yeah, you know the thumbnail, you know the title. Today it's the Oblivion that we're taking a look at on the channel. Now before we bring the blade on, Kershaw always loves to do this, it seems. They give you basically propaganda about your blade, how to take care of it, all that fun stuff. Okay. Oh, yeah, you can go over there too. So I saw this one, I think it was like a Father's Day sale, where they were offering like 30-40% off. And I went, okay, I really don't need a new one, but why not? Let me go take a look. And for some reason, this one just struck my fancy. I went, okay. I really love the G10 or, glass reinforced nylon, like bolsters kind of thing on here. I thought that was kind of cool. I love the whole gray stonewash finish all over the blade. There was just something about it that made me go, I want to have that. Alright, let's move on. Let's get to the stats and the fun stuff like we usually do. It's got an overall length of 8.10 inches. The blade is 3.5. Enclosed, it's 4.60. Now, it does have a bit of a weight to it at 5.10 ounces. You will feel this in your pocket as you're moving along. Now, it's got a flat grind with a plain edge. And like I said, the stonewash finish. The blade steel is 8CR13 MOV. And save the booing and hissing, I know. It's a good steel, it's a budget steel, you're going to get used to sharpening your blade, but that's part of the fun and the relationship you have with your carry, right? Is getting to know it, getting to know how it sounds on the stones, and all that fun stuff. Now, it does have a stainless steel frame. As you can see, it does have the frame lock with these wonderful little glass reinforced nylon bolsters that don't create any hot spots in your hands, and they just give you, to me, a neat little grip. As you can see, we have a frame lock. It does have a flipper open that is spring assisted. Comes out of there pretty damn quick. Now, you can carry it left or right hand carry, tip up, and it is seriously a deep pocket carry. We have your lanyard hole, and yes, for those of you who are curious, it is made in China. Alright, let's get on to the cut tests like we usually do. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, we usually just do three. Just three. The real simple ones. First one up, heavy-duty stock paper. Alright. Now, let's see if we can get a curly cue. It started to, then I moved. Oh, but look at that. Look at that. Oops, sorry. Look at that. Okay, the reason I go for those curly cues, guys, is basically, like I said a lot of times on my channel, anybody can grab a blade and go sharp. But if you just drag it across at an equal angle and go kind of slow, I saw that one pop. Stuff like that should happen. The blade should kind of curl back in on it. Not the blade, excuse me, the paper should curl back in on itself and give you that neat little curly cue. All right, next up. Paracord. Normally just do a pull test. Yeah, no problem going right through it. Now let's do a slicey. Oh yeah. And yes, backed by popular demand on his Keep Cutting Me tour, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Oh yeah. Now as I always do, really don't see anything on the blade itself. I don't see any little glinting or chipping or any weird stuff. I do see a little bit of paper flakes there. But still, not bad. Alright, now I'm filming this video on December 16th, 2020. And the prices are current as of that day. I looked on Amazon, Kershaw, and Blade HQ. The usual suspects, right? On Amazon, it's going to run you $36.89. It is Prime 1 day eligible. On Kershaw, it's going to run you $65.99, but remember, I bought it at that great sale price, so it almost ended up being what you could have paid on Amazon. And on Blade HQ, it's $36.99. It has yet to be reviewed on Blade HQ. It's been reviewed 4 times on Kershaw for a 4 1/4 star rating out of 5, and 37 times for a 4.6 out of 5 star rating on Amazon. But now we're at the best part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, right down below in the comment section. Do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I kind of like it. You guys know I love stonewash finishes, and this one just really stood out to me. Now, has it made my everyday carry for a while? No. It's one of those that I got. It's probably going to go in storage and sit there until one day I got to sell things to, I don't know, pay for my son's utter brain-dead moronic moves. And we all know that day is coming quick. But still. Okay. For you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know you have lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose this channel. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below, and we'll see what we can do to change the course of history on the channel. Now, if you've done all that fun stuff, look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, two will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys, as I'm getting tongue-tied. My quick tabletop look at the Kershaw Oblivion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are being safe. I hope all of you are having an incredible day, and we'll see you in the next video.